To monetize your YouTube channel, you need to have 4000 watch hours in previous 12 months. In this video, I am going to share 2 things which you need to configure to get to 4000 watch hours in 4 months. To get started is always difficult, especially on YouTube today in 2022. The competition is huge. You upload videos, they get only few views. This hits your motivation hard because you spend all those times editing a video, scripting, but when you upload it to YouTube, they get a grand total of 5 views, out of which 4 came from you refreshing the screen to see how many views you have got. Hello everyone, I'm Bilal Sharif. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about how to grow your YouTube channel and how to get those initial 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours and all other types of YouTube related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you're seeing value in this video, make sure you're giving it a thumbs up. Don't skip this video, watch this video till the end. I'm sure that this video will help you gain those initial 4000 watch hours in 4 months. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to see 2 things. First, I wanted to show you how to add end screens to your videos. Adding end screens to my videos increased my traffic by 25%. An end screen is a YouTube feature that appears in last 5-20 seconds of your video. As you can see on the screen, YouTubers can use this end screen to promote their other videos and playlists from the channel. I will show you how you can configure this end screen using YouTube Studio that will help you achieve your target of 4000 watch hours. Next, we will see how to configure cards. This allows you to suggest your own videos as you can see on the screen. Here what I am trying to do is, when someone watches my law video, I am trying to suggest other law videos from my channel. When someone watches videos related to YouTube, I am trying to suggest other YouTube tips as you can see on the screen. To configure this end screen and cards, try to open your YouTube channel from browser. Please make sure that you have at least 30 videos uploaded in your channel that will help you achieve the target of 4000 watch hours using end screen and cards. You have to open YouTube Studio from your channel. And inside YouTube Studio, you have to open channel content. Here you will be able to find all those videos uploaded by you in your YouTube channel. You will find an option to edit details in all videos as you can see on the screen. I will try to edit one of my video and I will show you how you can add end screen and cards. This video details screen will have video title, video description. Scroll down, you will be able to find end screen and cards. Click on end screen. Here you can find different types of templates that can be used as an end screen for your YouTube video. Say for example, in my end screen I want to suggest one video and have one subscribe icon. Along with that I want to suggest one playlist. I can do that. You can also customize which video needs to be recommended and which playlist needs to be suggested in your end screen. Say if I want to suggest one of my playlists in end screen along with subscribe logo, I can do that. This is about end screen, and end screen play an important role when it comes to watch hours. Once everything is done, you have to click on save button. Now I will show you how you can use cards to recommend your own videos to the viewers. In this screen you can select playlist, video and channel that you want to recommend as part of this video. To give an example, this video is about Golconda Fort, one of the best places to visit in Hyderabad. When someone watches this video of Golconda Fort of Hyderabad, I feel they will show interest in other tourist places of Hyderabad as well. Here I am trying to suggest other tourist places of Hyderabad through cards. You can also suggest playlists through cards. If you are not aware, I have been making videos on best places of India as part of Incredible India series, law videos, tips to grow your YouTube channel and some general knowledge videos. If you are someone new to my channel, then don't forget to check out those playlists. Once everything is selected, click on save button, and these are the 2 features, end screen and cards, that will help you reach 4000 watch hours in 4 months, but make sure you have 30 videos at least in your channel. If you like this video, then do share with your friends and family members who may be interested in starting a YouTube channel. And if you're someone new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching this video. This is Bilal Sharif signing out until we meet again with a new tip.